Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here is your daily technical analysis of Brent crude oil and spot gold.
ICE Brent crude oil futures. A combined key reversal up and bullish engulfing pattern yesterday after the previous session's fourth bearish black crow pattern. Prices opened where they had been supported on the previous session, at the dark blue lower time, currently at 61.13, of the showrunner for this market since last summer, the twice broken and twice repaired April to July bearish shift pitchfork, pushing down further below the congestion between 60.02 to 60.64, which has the February 2020 high at 60.02 and the March 2021 low at 60.27 within it. Down towards the January 21 high at 57.45, but not reaching it before turning back up, pulling back up over all those previous supports, plus moving up over the neckline of the March to May 2020 reverse head and shoulders bottom, currently at 62.22, plus the May and August 2021 lows at 64.58, and piercing but not closing piercing but closing just underneath the December 2021 low at 65.66. All this has been a suitable follow-on low to last week's weekly key reversal down. Overall, the market just about remains within the dark blue April to July bearish shift pitchfork, but only just about. So far today, a higher open, but with prices turning lower and moving down towards the neckline below. Spot gold. A key reversal up yesterday after the previous session's indecisive doji cross. Altogether, the market made the last three sessions into a 3-day bullish morning doji star pattern, with prices rising and peaking and closing at the newly drawn dark blue middle time, currently 30.99 of the late February, early April bullish Andrews pitchfork. Now, this is a nascent pattern, and I'm quite prepared to finesse this into a shallower bullish shift pitchfork or even retire it completely. As I've said throughout the last 4 weeks when looking at the recent action, I saw a pattern here of an early January to date bullish halfway hesitation, with potential up as far as target X in the 31.50 area. Late last week, prices pushed up through this target, and I have also said many times that we had a smaller bullish halfway hesitation formed over March, which has an even higher target X1 up in the 32.31 area. However, with this recent action, this no longer looks like a viable pattern, and I will retire target X1 after today. Overhead now we have the next 50% projected Fibonacci line at 31.26, plus the combined resistance overhead of the next projected 50% Fibonacci line up at 31.69, plus the April all-time high at 31.67.5. So far today, a move higher, initially a small move higher, but in relative to small move higher over the dark blue middle time, peaking at the 50% projected Fibonacci line at 31.26 in the old middle time, currently 31.30 of the broken early January to late February bullish pitchfork. Currently that's at 31.30, before coming back down towards the dark blue middle time that's there.
Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives the essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted both at the front and at the back of this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final important bit.